Harmony Enterprises, the solutions provider for waste and recycling, presents the M46HD vertical baler. The M46HD is the heavy-duty 46-inch vertical baler that sets the standard for both performance and value, making consistently dense bales of a variety of recyclables including cardboard, aluminum, plastics, paper, and more. With its powerful 31,800 pounds of ram force and durable 4.5-inch hydraulic cylinder, the M46HD is the affordable way to make bigger bales without the cost or space requirements of large, more expensive machines. Made with long-lasting U.S. steel construction, the M46HD creates cardboard bales that measure 24-inch by 46-inch up to 30-inch and weighing up to 400 pounds. The M46HD has a fast 37-second cycle time and has an enclosed counterbalance on the upper door for easy lifting. Harmony's Legion box is an updated universal controls electrical box with several new features and benefits. Customers will find the baler easier to operate while reducing downtime and potential first call service trips with machine diagnostics. What's new on the Legion box? In addition to the keyed selector switch, the up and down buttons, and e-stop, this box incorporates a status light troubleshooting guide that informs the user of several important conditions, including ready to run, bale full, e-stop engaged, doors not closed, motor running, hand operation, auto operation, upper limit or pressure switch failures, and movement in the bale full condition. Additional features of the M46HD include standard swivel locking casters that allow it to roll under an 8-foot doorway into operating position, hydraulic strap bale eject, small operational footprint, designed for safe one-person operation, control panel is UL listed. The M46HD is made in the USA and meets or exceeds OSHA or ANSI Z245.5 safety standard. Benefits of the M46HD heavy-duty baler include the power of larger vertical balers in a more compact design, lower cost of operation compared to larger vertical balers. The M46HD reduces your waste disposal costs and saves you money and improves workplace safety and appearance. Please remember that only persons 18 years of age or older may operate the baler. To operate, open both the upper and lower doors. Place a full sheet of cardboard on the bottom of the baler. Close the lower door. With the upper door open, place material evenly throughout the chamber, making sure not to offload material to any side, front, or rear of the baler. Offloading material may negatively affect the performance of the baler and void your warranty. When the chamber is full, close the loading door. Insert the key into the keyed selector switch and turn it to the auto position. Press the green down button. The ram will cycle for a predetermined amount of time and automatically return to the fully retracted position. Repeat the process until the yellow engaged ejector arrow decal on the right side of the platen lines up with the middle of the yellow engage ejector arrow decal located inside on the right side of the chamber. This lets you know the baler is full. To tie the bale, turn the selector switch to the hand position. Press and hold the yellow up button to retract the ram. Open the loading door and place a flat sheet of cardboard on top of the bale. Press and hold the green down button. When the ram stops moving, press the emergency stop button. Open the upper and lower doors. Feed the non-looped end of the 14-gauge baling wire through all the tie slots on the bottom of the chamber toward the back of the baler. Use the Harmony cleanout rod to clear debris from the channel in the platen. Feed the same end of the wire from the back of the baler through each channel on the ram toward the front of the baler. Insert the end of the wire through the looped end and twist until tight. Repeat the process for all tie slots. To eject the bale, push the ejector slide back until it makes contact with the rear of the chamber. Position a pallet centered in front of the baler. Step to the side of the baler away from the front where the pallet is located. Using both hands, turn and hold the keyed selector switch to the hand position and press the yellow up button. The ram will go up and tip the ejector strap forward, tipping the bale onto the pallet. Use the up button to move the ram all the way to the top. Then run another cycle by placing the key switch in the auto position and push the down button. This will cancel out the ejector strap and make it ready for the next bale. Remove the bale with a pallet jack or forklift. Harmony Enterprises proudly offers the widest range of innovative, long-lasting waste and recycling equipment on the market. Each baler or compactor comes with our industry-leading 3-2-1 warranty, professional customer service, and available preventative maintenance plans. Our knowledgeable sales team is ready to assist you with any questions you might have or provide you with a free quote, site review, or needs assessment of your business operations. If you're looking to save on waste costs while generating recycling revenue, partner with Harmony Enterprises, the reputable company that has decades of experience manufacturing vertical balers. Call us at 507-886-6666 to learn more about our M46HD heavy-duty vertical baler, or visit us at www.harmony1.com today.